So I'm going to
Okay.
show you the lesson, and there we are going to practice how you can ask a correct question. Because
Mm-hmm.
asking question is something which is really difficult for some people, right? So now we are going
Okay.
to focus on asking question. So let me share my screen and let's get started.
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Perfect. So the questions which are here on your screen are wrong questions. Do you know the reason why?
All are wrong.
Yes, all questions which are on the screen are wrong questions.
The question is, are
Questions,
all
questions wrong.
question wrong?
Yes, yes, yes,
This
yes.
is difficult. Are all
Uh,
question
Now I'm
wrong?
going to share a strategy to make these questions correct. What you need to do now, you need to hide WH word. For example, what, where, why, how, when. Okay, you need to hide this word. For example, the moment you hide the word
She
where.
wants to go
She
tomorrow.
wants to go tomorrow. This is a statement, right? This is not a
Yeah.
question. So first, we need to make this statement a question. How we will make it? Let's see. Does she want to go tomorrow? Right?
Hmm.
Right? And now we can
Where
add,
does she
yeah,
want?
we'll add the same word. Where? Where does she want to go tomorrow? This is a correct question, but the first one is incorrect question. Do you understand?
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Now,
What are you going to eat?
yes. What you are going to eat? Same thing you need to do here. You need to hide the word what. You are going to eat. Is it a question or a statement?
It's a statement.
It's a statement. To make a question, are you going to eat? Is it correct?
Hmm. Yeah.
Now let's put what also. What are you going to eat?
Hmm.
Now if you see the second sentence and the third sentence, okay, means
Hmm.
both the sentences, what you are going to eat, what are you going to eat? So second one is correct, not the first one. Do you understand?
Hmm. Yes.
Let's talk about the third one. Can you
Yeah.
please?
Eh, what have you purchased from the mall?
Perfect. What have you purchased from the mall? Perfect. That's okay. Very good. Let's see next one. This one. What you suggested her for this course?
What do you suggested her for this course?
Now, you need to understand one thing here. The question is in past tense. Suggested her. It's past tense.
Ah, what did you suggest her for this course? Ah,
Exactly.
sorry.
So first you need to make question. Did you suggest her for this course? And then you can also use what. What did you suggest her for this course? Okay?
Yeah.
I, next one. Why you disturb me again and over again?
Why are you disturbing me again and over again?
Why are? Why? You can't use are here.
Why? Why do you disturb me?
Yes, correct.
Yes, because if I use are, is disturbing me.
Yes, exactly. Whenever you use are, you need to use ing, right?
Uh-huh. Okay.
Perfect, perfect, good. So why do you disturb me again and over again? Right. Next question. Why it is important to learn English?
Why is it important to learn English?
Perfect. You have understood. Congratulations.
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's see the next part. Okay. Tell me which one is correct. First one or second one?
Eh, why do you sell your what? No, sorry. Why did you sell your phone?
So second one is correct, right?
Ah, I didn't see the second one. Sorry.
There are two. Why you sold your phone? Why did
Yeah,
you sell? So second one is correct. First one is incorrect.
I only focus in the first one, and I have to change,
Uh,
but I
no.
didn't see the second one.
But is it visible? Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. What about this one? Which one is correct?
Uh, the first one. Where have you gone yesterday?
Oh wow, perfect. Last one.
The second one. What do you do in the morning?
Oh wow, perfect. Very good. I'm happy.
But there is no correct. What did you do in the morning because it's past or no?
Maybe I'm asking for every day that Stephania, what do you do every day in the morning? So for present, I can ask, right? If I want to know for past tense, so I can say, Stephania, what did you do in the morning? So it depends on what I want to ask. I can also ask for future. For example, I can say, what will you do in the morning? Depends, right? It
Mm-hmm.
depends. So you can make question according to what you wanna ask. This is something I wanted to
Okay.
tell you. Easy?
Yes.
Perfect. Have you understood the lesson?
Yes.
Are you happy now?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Good. Now we are going to practice asking question, okay, activity. Can we?
Yes, please.
Okay, perfect. Now, you are going to ask me as many questions as you can, and I'm going to answer your question. Is it okay?
Okay.
Perfect.
But I have to put
Think.
a situation.
No,
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 a
no.
situation
That's
because
that.
yesterday I did that and I don't have more
For example,
creativity.
I asked, let me try, okay? For example, what is this?
A water bottle.
Full sentence?
There is a bottle, a water
Okay.
bottle,
Why do we use water bottle? Why do we use?
to drink water.
Is it important to drink water?
Yes, it's important
Do you drink?
all day.
When did you drink last time?
Um, Last time,
Hmm.
1 hour ago,
Mm.
I drank 1 hour ago.
I have drunk 1 hour ago, right?
I have drank 1 hour ago.
Okay. Perfect. What was the taste of the water?
That that's not have taste.
That doesn't have any taste. Doesn't have.
Doesn't have any taste.
Hmm. Have you tasted any other thing than water which has some taste?
Yeah.
What is that?
That you heat the water and put a special, mm, a special, uh, a special, I don't know, like box that have some plants, and put in your water and you can have the tea.
Wow, very nice. Okay. The next question uh, is water used for some other work also?
Um, yes, you can use for take a shower or clean your teeth or clean your body.
Okay. Uh, was it important to take a shower?
It's important to take a shower because you have to to eliminate the dead cell
Okay.
for your body and and to be clean every day.
Hmm. Makes sense. Makes sense. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay. I got your point. So,
Okay.
do does everybody take bath?
Yes, everybody take a bath.
Everybody takes. Everybody takes.
Takes a bath.
Perfect. So, see, what I did is
Okay.
I started my question with this water bottle and I was changing the question again and over again, right? I was trying to
Okay.
change the question. In the same way, you are going to ask me question and then change the question fast, 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 fast.
Okay.
Okay? You can start.
Mm, let me put my creativity.
Yeah. Let me use my creativity.
Let me use my creativity.
Yep, please.
Um, mm, what is that?
I think that's a mobile phone. That's a
It's
phone.
a phone. Um, um,
Fast, fast.
what? uh, why do you use a cell phone?
Because I use cell phone because I want to make sometime call. I want to listen to music. I study. I make some presentation. I send emails. There are so many things which I do with my phone.
What brand do you prefer in cell phone?
Okay, which brand do I prefer? I prefer Apple iPhone, or yeah, I prefer iPhone, but I have never purchased it.
And why do you prefer iPhone if you never taste? Ne-
Never purchased.
why never purchased?
Hmm. So
Why did why
why do
do you
you?
prefer
Mhm.
Apple if you never purchase
If
before?
if you have never purchased before, the
If
question
you
is,
have
hmm,
never.
why do you prefer iPhone when you have never purchased before?
When you
Have?
is correct if or no? If
Yes.
you never if you
Correct.
never
Hmm.
if you never purchase a
Okay.
Apple product.
Hmm. Because the phone is costly, expensive, and till now I have not purchased. I don't know the reason, but definitely in future I will.
Are you materialist person?
No, no, I would
No.
not say yes for this. I don't know.
Do you like to no? Eh, eh, what kind of brand is your cell phone?
My phone is Oppo. Have you heard?
Apple?
Oppo, yeah, Oppo.
Apple with A or with O?
Oh, oh, Oppo, not Apple.
This is a brand? Ah, I didn't know that brand.
Yes.
How many years do you have with your cell phone?
Ask again.
Uh, how long